SERV stock analysis. Is it a buy or sell? Where the heck is this thing going next for Friday's update? Right, SERV Robotics, 7% down. I'm just going to briefly show you kind of the high time frame, the grand scheme of things. Look at this. This is the weekly chart and all we have. Oh baby, am I bullish like this? Yeah, I mean, that pretty much explains everything. I mean, I waited for a double break for quite some time and it did give me that. And I'm going to make it risk-free the moment we start breaking above 1075. Obviously, in the meantime, it should not go lower than 7.08. And I guess it's going to be the waiting game. The most boring game ever, but trading is pretty much 99% waiting, man. Waiting, drawing, showing up to draw. So yeah, that's my opinion on SERV. Stay tuned. If you want to learn the strategy in the course for free, so it saves you 4 years, like I've been 4 years in the markets and spent thousands of dollars on mentors, click the free course below. It's a free.